another name for AE. So AE, ray AE, would be, it starts here at A and it goes through E. But remember, it's infinitely long. I could draw it this long. The point is, it has a point at E. Imagine this is kind of on top of it. I didn't want to draw on there. I haven't figured out how to change colors, and so I didn't want it to disappear. So AE means it starts at A and goes through E. But the same ray starts at A and goes through C. The second point could be anything. If I had another point over here that was D, we could call the ray AD. The important thing is that we know where it starts. That first point can't, if it's the same ray, that first point can't change. It's got to be A. But the second one can just be anything that's over here. Like if instead we were talking about, let's say we were talking about ray DE. If I, let me clear this for a second. So if instead they were asking you about ray DE, let me write that, D. So if it was DE, DE could be called DE or DB, right? It's got to have, the first letter has to be D, but the second would be anything else that goes through. Now notice I didn't say DT because this little t right here, see how it's lowercase? That's the name of this whole line. You can name a line with a little letter, with a lowercase letter, or with 2 points, like line EB. This line, we could call it EB, or we could call it line T, either one. This is line S, or we could call it line AE, or we could call it line AC. All of those are the same.